Good morning guys, in front of me is iPad from 2025 and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So at first you have to open the settings, then go to general options, scroll down a bit and mark date and time. And here to customize your date and time you need to turn off automatic setup and now choose it from the list. So let's pick date and time at the bottom. Okay, then you can go back and it is already set. Whenever you wish to change it again, just reopen, but if you wish to go back to automatic setup, just mark this switcher and it will be applied. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.